There's not like I say this a lot, like no one's coming to save you. Like there's nothing that's coming to save you from having to do the work. There are tools that help move the work along. But if you don't know what you're doing, it will be exposed because you won't know where and how to correct an AI bot, where and how to correct your forecast or your capacity plan. Like it all comes out in the wash. And, and again, I use my example of I didn't know how to do the math behind it, but that was the last time that that happened. Now
Yeah.
I do a lot of things manually and then I compare it. And I'm trying to figure out where are the differences. Now the systems can do a lot more, a lot better calculations than I can. But if we're too far off, then there's something else going on there because I need to be able to stand behind the recommendations. And at the end of the day, I'm gonna go with my brain because I know how it worked, and I know that I'm pretty decent about doing these predictions over a system until that system learns. Because that's the other thing. You're putting in a bunch of old information, and you're like, "Now tell me what I need." And you think that that's it doesn't work. It's like putting a new employee in and be like, "Here's all the training manuals. Now I need you to start answering, customers right away."